Hi guys, Happy New Year and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you my chicken noodle soup recipe. This is a soup I love to make this time of the year. My family love to eat it, especially when it's cold outside or when the sniffles start with a small cold or when you're just feeling down and not feeling really well. So come on in and let me jump right into this recipe. First, I chopped up 1 large onion and split it up in 2 small bowls. And then I took 8 thighs with the bone in and the skin still attached on there, and I cleaned them up really well and seasoned them up. Now, make this soup, I usually use the thighs that have the bone in and the skin because this is the portion of the chicken that produce a lot of flavor. And next I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and saute a half of onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic in my Instant Pot for 5 minutes. And next I'm going to add in a little more olive oil, and then I'm going to saute the thighs for about 5 minutes on each side. And here are what they look like when I finish sauteing them. And I'm now going to add in 32 ounces of chicken broth and about 2 cups of water. Now after I get it mixed really well and get the lid of my cooker on and the sealed closed, I'm going to set my cooker to 30 minutes on high pressure. But if you don't like your chicken shredded, it'll be best to set it on low pressure or put it on 20 minutes on high pressure. And then while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and chop up the rest of my vegetables, which is 4 stalks of celery and 1 bag of carrots. And then when I add it to my cooker, I'm going to also add in the other onions. Now once that is finished, this is what it looks like, and this is how it looks. It's shredding a little, but it's just coming apart. And I'm going to add in my vegetables, and I am going to add all of those in there, season it a little more, and then I'm going to, and I don't measure, so I'm just adding in for taste here, but my next ingredient is to add in 1 can of cream of chicken. And it is important that you use the herbs because it make a big difference. And I'm going to cook it on low pressure for another 10 minutes. But if you don't want it shredded, cook it for 8 minutes. And I mix the cream of chicken really well because the Instant Pot can burn if it's not stirred really well. Now once it's finished cooking, this is what it looks like. I go ahead and remove all of the skin and all of the bones out of the pot before I serve it. I like to eat it with rice and sometimes crackers. So guys, I hope you tried this recipe out. It's really a good one for this time of the year. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button and like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.